So you can say, now let's talk about this poison. Okay, arsenic poison, we have arsenic inhibits glycolysis, one enzyme of glycolysis. Then we will little bit talk about these two. So arsenic is more important. So we will focus more on arsenic. So you can see this person having this type of presentation. You can see skin changes. So you can see arsenic poison. So arsenic is present in the groundwater. Okay, some region there may be endemic arsenic poisoning, because the people drink water from groundwater, and then groundwater has arsenic, and that will cause slow poison. So you can say slowly poisons the body, potentially skin lesion, damage to peripheral nerves, GI ailments, gastrointestinal ailments, diabetes. So it will affect all the organs of your body. It will deposit in different organs. It will affect all the organs of your body almost. It will
Wait a second.
affect your brain. It will affect your cardiovascular system. It will affect your GI tract, and then other organ as well. It can cause cancer. Yes. What was your question?
Sorry. So people, that's horrible. People have to drink water from the ground.
Yes. So not all water has arsenic.
Yeah. What
Not
type
all
does?
groundwater has arsenic. In certain place, there can be arsenic. So before drinking, you check the water. You taste the water.
Right.
If there is no arsenic, just go for. You are free to drink that water. Okay.
Is it something that you can buy a Brita filter for and filter out, or?
So you see, it's difficult to filter. Yeah, but RO can filter arsenic, all the minerals also.
Okay.
RO can filter, but it's better to avoid that water. So you can purify that water, no problem. That water can be purified. So arsenic poison, we have already told you. The sixth step, the only dehydrogenase step of the glycolysis will be inhibited by this arsenic. So what will happen? What is this sixth step? Sixth step is conversion of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate into what? 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, BPG. The air phosphate is added. Now see this phosphate. In place of phosphate, this phosphate is replaced by this arsenate, ASO4. Okay, this phosphate is replaced by arsenate, and in place of this phosphate, you can see arsenate will bind. And this arsenate removal is non-enzymatic, very slow process. And in that process, what will happen? When here will be one, in place of phosphate binding, there will be arsenic binding. At the place of one, there will be arsenic binding like this. And this will be removed non-enzymatically, because, and then it will convert into 3-phosphoglycerate, 3-PG. So in that process, you can see you miss a step where ATP is synthesized. So ATP, it blocks ATP formation in glycolysis. Got that? And second reaction, what it also inhibits the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, which it inhibits PDH, bridge reaction. It inhibits alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, because lipoic acid is also part of alpha KGD, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. So this both enzymes are inhibited. Krebs cycle and bridge reaction are also inhibited. So ultimately, you can see energy production is inhibited by arsenic poisoning. So that is why this is very important to understand this arsenic poisoning and the mechanism how it inhibits. So here you can see it will cause vomiting, rice water stool. This is acute symptom. Vomiting, rice water stool, these are acute symptom when somebody takes arsenic in very high quantity. So garlic breath and QT prolongation in ECG. So this can happen, QT prolongation happen in chronic also, and these are acute presentation in ECG. So fingernail pigmentation, you can see white patch. This is called leukonychia stria. So this type of presentation you will see in. So main concern of biochemistry is to talk about pathogenesis. Okay, pathogenesis. Now you can see. So these are the chronic presentation, and this is basically, these are active presentation. And QT prolongation present in both acute and chronic. Okay, it can present in both. So you understood, it will inhibit glycolysis also, Krebs cycle also. So Krebs cycle, lipoic acid and bridge reaction also will have lipoic acid. So lipoic acid will be inhibited like this. So it will bind with lipoic acid like this and form complex, permanent complex like this, and that is how it will inhibit. Arsenic will inhibit them. So you can see fluoroacetate will inhibit aconitase. Aconitase. How does it inhibit aconitase? So actually this compound will bind with acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, acetyl coenzyme A, and it will form a fluorocitrate molecule. And this fluorocitrate will inhibit citric acid to bind with aconitase. You know the substrate for citric aconitase is citric acid to isocitrate. So what is the function of aconitase? Aconitase converts citrate
to isocitrate.
Isocitrate. So what happens is here, because of this fluoroacetate will combine with coenzyme A like this. Okay, so it will form with fluorocitrate. Okay, oxaloacetate with oxaloacetate, it will form fluorocitrate like this.
Can floral citrate become isocitrate still?
No, but that is what. So you can see this fluoroacetyl coenzyme A will bind with this oxaloacetate, will form fluorocitrate, and this will look very similar to citrate. And then you can see, you know, this is a competitive inhibitor of enzyme aconitase. So this will compete with this, and this is how this fluoroacetate will inhibit the reaction. So this aconitase will be inhibited. The difference between malate, so malonate and malate are different. This is malonate. Malate is different thing. Malate is a part of Krebs cycle. Malate is part of Krebs cycle. This is malate. So this is malate. Don't confuse malate with malonate. Okay, this is 4-carbon compound. You can see malate, there is OH group here, but this is 3-carbon. You remove this part and this become malonate. So remember, there are difference between malate and malonate. Malate is 4-carbon. Malate is 4-carbon. Malonate is 3-carbon compound, dicarboxylic. This is the difference. If you want to inhibit in your laboratory, if you want to inhibit your Krebs cycle, just put malonate. It will inhibit. Understand there's difference between malate and malonate. Malate is 4-carbon, malonate is 3-carbon. So both are. A 54-year-old alcoholic male is admitted to your service with ataxia, ophthalmoplegia, altered mental status. Which of the following is likely impaired in this man? See, this is a type of question that will come in NBME. So they will mix two things together and then you will have to answer. So this type of presentation, this is a Wernicke's syndrome, presentation of Wernicke's syndrome. And this Wernicke's syndrome happens because of vitamin B1 deficiency, thiamine deficiency. And this cause of this, actually it does not, Wernicke's syndrome happens because of this deficiency, and this deficiency happens because of alcohol use.
Because alcohol doesn't have any nutritional value, right?
Yes. Alcohol does not have nutritional value. The people taking alcohol does not take any other thing else. So alcohol will causes depletion of this B1, and this vitamin B1 deficiency will happen, and because of this presentation will happen. Okay, this presentation you can remember easily, cat's eye. So ataxia, cat, AATB is ataxia, and C for confusion. So altered mental status means confusion, ataxia, I is for ophthalmoplegia. So you can easily remember cat's eye, and then 3 triad. This triad is peculiar to this syndrome, Wernicke's-Korsakoff syndrome. And this Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome has vitamin B1 deficiency. And vitamin B1 deficiency affect which reaction?
So it might be A.
It's A. That's a ketoglutarate.
Yes. So this is done by succinate dehydrogenase. And here is FAD is required. FAD is required.
I'm going to go with A. Final answer.
Yes. So this is the answer. So this alpha keto glutarate dehydrogenase. So this enzyme is very similar to enzyme of PDH. Okay, that is, you can go through this yourself. So you can go through this Wernicke syndrome and understand this. So now next question. So 30-year-old boy, old bodybuilder, used to consume 15 raw eggs as a dietary regimen daily to appear in upcoming bodybuilding competition. After 1 month, he developed alopecia patches in his head, red rashes on the face, on his face, started getting tired easily during workout. Which of the following enzymatic reaction may be affected?
Pyruvate carboxylase.
Why?
Because it requires biotin.
Yeah. Yes.
That's
This
part of-
raw egg causes biotin deficiency, and that is a good answer. This is the only reaction that will require biotin. Okay. Now, so this is the note. You can see this is the case for pyruvate dehydrogenase deficiency. I have many notes. You can go through. There is note in slide, so you can go through that note. But this is the case. You can see this case has very high lactic acidosis. So age is 3-year-old. So 3-year-old boy who presented generalized hypotonia, okay, severe psychomotor development delay, and general partial seizure, and was refractory to anti-epileptic drugs. So after diagnosis, the patient was on ketogenic diet. Because what is ketogenic diet? Is carbohydrate-free diet. Because carbohydrate is not being digested. PDS enzyme digests carbohydrate. Actually, it metabolizes carbohydrate. For example, so when I tell you digestion, you remember that metabolism, breaking that big molecule into small molecular form. So this pyruvate into acetylcholine, it will not be converted. Means this carbohydrate is not being catabolized. So there is problem in catabolism of carbohydrate. So that is why you don't give carbohydrate, you give fat diet. So the symptom is resolved 6 months later. Seizure frequency. So seizure is related to neurological manifestations. So seizure frequency was reduced. Psychomotor development was improved. So these two components are related to neurological, and this is metabolic. So that is what this PDS deficiency is neurometabolic disorder. So if you don't give carbohydrate, fat is okay. With these children, fat is digested, metabolized easily. So this will happen. And what happened is some certain components were missing in fat. So they were supplemented with this omega-3 fatty acid and increased caloric intake. So this problem that appeared in these children was also solved. So this is the treatment. Okay, treatment in such condition, you have to give ketogenic diet. This is also a treatment. And these are the presentation. You can see seizure is presentation, psychomotor manifestation, these are neurological presentation, and this is metabolic disease with neurological presentation. That is what you have to understand in PDS complex deficiency. So, and it has got very high lactic acidosis. That is what you have to remember. This is a very big clue. High lactic acidosis is big clue. So you have to understand this